Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a fish green masala using fish head pieces. This can be also made using 8 to 10 slices of fish. I hope you like this recipe, so keep watching. I'm going to marinate the fish head pieces with salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now give this a good mix. Once the fish head pieces are coated well with the salt and turmeric, keep them aside. To make the green masala, I'm taking 2 green chilies, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, a handful of fresh coriander leaves, roughly chopped 1 onion, a teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon peppercorn. Now grind this to a fine paste without using any water. Our green masala for the fish is ready. Now into a pan, arrange the marinated fish pieces and add the ground green masala. Add salt to taste and rub the masala all over the pieces. Rinse a little water in the jar and add it to the pan. Here I have used 1/4 cup of water in total. We would add more water as and when required while cooking the fish. Add some curry leaves and drizzle 2 tablespoons of oil all over the fish. Now cover and cook this on high flame for 1 minute. Shake the pan to stir the fish. After 1 minute, cook it on low flame for 4 minutes. Do remember to shake the pan to stir the fish so that it doesn't catch at the bottom. After 5 minutes, the fish is cooked on one side. To cook it on the other side, I'm going to turn the fish gently. Now since the masala is a little dry, I'm going to add 2 handfuls of water and cover and cook this on low flame for another 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, our fish green masala has cooked well. Gently moving the fishes so that it's easy to serve. Now this is done. Turn off the heat and let's dish this out. Do remember to squeeze few drops of lemon. Serve this with lemon slices and onion. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do give a like and subscribe to my channel.